What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick video of the new Decksaver DJ equipment cover for the new Pioneer DJM-S11. So if you guys have been following this channel for the last 10 years, you guys know that every time we get something cool, every time we get a piece of equipment that we're going to keep here in the lab, we get a Decksaver cover for it. Now, Decksaver covers are a polycarbonate, super strong cover that actually goes and fits directly over your piece of DJ or production equipment, and it fits it so perfectly that it will still be operational and still be functional even with these covers right on top of them. So meaning if you're in a gig or if you're in a situation where you need to continuously play your equipment while you still want to cover it, you're allowed to do it with these covers here. And putting my money where my mouth is, you can see that we've been getting them for every single DJ equipment piece that we have that we're going to keep again, and that we're going to keep in the lab for a long time. Case in point, we have the cover for the Tractor Control Z2. I haven't used this in years now, but the cover for it is still holding strong, just as if it were day one. I put a quick sticker on there because you can customize them to your liking. But again, perfect fit, perfect finish, and super strong and sturdy. We've had this one for years now. Most recently, we used the Rain 72, and that also has the Decksaver cover. You can tell a little bit of a different style depending on where the knobs and buttons are located per your different mixers. And you can still see that you have all of your ports open on the back, and all of your knobs and buttons and faders are still 100% operational even if you have a cover on it. Now we're heading to the future with my new favorite DJ mixer, the Pioneer DJM-S11. Lots of cool things going on with this mixer, a lot of cool features in this mixer, and I still have a lot of exploration to do on this mixer, but I've got some time to do it. So while we're doing that here in the lab, we're going to have a Decksaver cover on top of it. Now, these Decksaver covers were just released for the DJM-S11. They're also coming out for the DJM-S7, and they have covers for the Pioneer DJM V10 and the faderless version of the V10 as well. So let's just unbox this, unpackage this, and see what we get, and see if Decksaver lives up to their name and allows you to protect your items with a perfect fit right out of the package. So you can tell it's not just 100% clear. It is like some tinted smoke kind of effect to it. Very sharp, again, very sturdy. You can step on these. You can even run over these with a car and nothing's going to happen to it. And you can also put it onto your DJ equipment while you're also putting it inside of your bag or inside of your cases. So this is an extra form of protection when you want to just throw a piece of equipment inside of a bag or inside of a case. You can still have these Decksaver covers on top. Now that is nice and clean. Nice design to it. I like how it has like kind of like this face look to it at the top with a hat, like a guy's face with a hat brim on the top. I like how they kind of cut this out a little bit different than the other mixers we have. So nice cool shape to it. They're not that cheap. They are about $60 to $100 depending on what you're trying to cover. But again, your DJ equipment isn't cheap either. Your production equipment isn't cheap. And if you want to protect it, and if you want it to look cool on the desk while it's sitting there while you're away, then there's no really better way to do it than the Decksavers. So if you guys want to go check out Decksavers for yourself, you can at www.decksaver.com. And if you want to purchase Decksavers while you're here in the United States or North America, then you can head on over to www.mixware.net. I'll leave all those links at the video description for you guys. But if you guys like videos like this one, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe so that way you know exactly when the new videos are coming out. And as always, thanks for watching.